tagging everybody?
I don't have them on. I don't know who's who on Facebook. I sent everyone the link though.
Oh, everybody's got spots. You sent them the link.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm about to hit up. I'm about to hit up a couple people though and let them know we can't do fucking both right now. It won't let us.
So you're on YouTube, right? Or you're on Facebook?
Yeah, I'm on Facebook. Facebook saves a copy of the live stream, right? You can rewatch
for
it.
like 30 days, I believe. Where the fuck's it at?
It's not on there. Yeah, we're live. Yeah, it just went live. I'm gonna send out a couple.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna send out a couple things to people. I'm gonna send out a couple.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna send out a couple things to people. Yeah, lower that because it's gonna pick up the more. All right, I'm gonna wait for a couple of people to roll in here, and then we're gonna. I'm gonna get random.org up. All right, guys, hang on with us for a minute. We had to stream on Facebook exclusively for this one. Usually, when we want to do Facebook and YouTube, the recording software won't let us. So I'm gonna look into that, and just give me a minute while I send a couple messages to people that were just looking for it on YouTube. And then we're gonna start breaking it open.
I could pull out this outdoor to smoke.
Yeah, they don't want you smoking back there though.
Oh, yeah, this is a neighbor. I forgot.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I can wait. What are they saying?
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna send out a couple messages, guys, and then we're gonna do the random.org. Alrighty. Hey Scott, what's going on, bud?
What's up, Ty?
Alright. We're gonna go switch to the browser now. I want to see if it. Alright, yeah, it switched instantly. You see, on YouTube, I'd have to do update stream, and that's what messed up my last break, almost.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, because it didn't. I was in the middle. I was about to do random.org, bro, and it didn't even switch to it. I don't know why it does that caption crap. How many people? We got 5 people in here. We're probably not going to have the full group that's in this break right away. We're going to do on YouTube as well, but the recording software won't let us do it both for right now. I'm going to have to try to figure that out. But we created a little table here. This is everyone's name before we randomize. It went by purchase history, 32 spots, and then we got every team in alphabetical order down the line. So we're going to copy and paste everyone's name. We're going to go into random.org, list randomizer. We're going to randomize 7 times, and then we're going to copy and paste your name after 7 randomizers and put them in this right column. And whatever your name is beside for the team. So if you're first on the list, you're going to get Cardinals, etc. And then we'll switch back over to the Hobby Box video, and we will break it live there. Yep. So let's just get this going right now. So we got Barams on the top and System on the bottom. Baram on the bottom, System on the top. Yep, we're going to randomize 7 times now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got System on the top and Grad on the bottom. Copy and paste that. Hopefully it goes all well. I'm about to reformat it. It's not 33. I always hate going off random.org, bro. It doesn't do the same formatting. Alrighty. Just give me a second, guys. I gotta reformat this. I might just say screw it. Yeah, we're just gonna print it off and then we'll read off everyone's names. See if the printer works. Printer was acting up earlier.
Was it?
Yeah, let's see if it actually kicks on. So you not doing anything.
Just came on.
Yeah, I ain't gonna mess with that then. I was gonna print out a copy, but it's not gonna be formatted right. So we're just gonna list off everyone's names. Cardinals goes to Sisson. Falcons goes to Mill. Ravens goes to Gassiv. Bills goes to Big. Panthers goes to Sisson. Bears goes to Barham. Bengals goes to Gassiv. Browns goes to Mill. Cowboys goes to Mill. Broncos goes to Straight. Lions goes to Sisson. Packers goes to Sisson. Texans goes to Riddell. Colts goes to Riddell. Jags go to Big. Chiefs go to Sisson. Chargers go to Mill. Rams goes to Big. Dolphins goes to Mill. Vikings goes to Sisson. Pats goes to Mills. Saints goes to Sisson. Giants goes to Sisson. Jets goes to Big. Raiders goes to Mill. Eagles goes to Sisson. Steelers goes to Sisson. 49ers go to Big. Seahawks go to, I think Sisson, right? Yeah, Sisson. Bucks goes to Mills. Titans goes to Big. And Washington goes to Grad. Sorry for the formatting. I'm going to have to try to figure out how to format it after we copy and paste from random. I don't want to try to do it on stream. It's just going to take too long. Yeah, if you guys want to take a second and look, I'll leave that up there for like 30 seconds, and then I'll scroll back down to the final two spots. Alrighty. All right, we'll scroll back down a little bit. I'm just replying to a couple people on eBay that thought it was going to be on YouTube as well. So just give me a minute, guys. All right, everyone got it? Go ahead and switch. I'm going to get the break page up. Copy and paste it. Should just be facebook.com/filthybreaks. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Sorry about that. Alright, I got caught up
Still
somewhere.
new to this.
Yeah, I don't know why I won't let us do both. We'll be able to fly through these though. So we're starting a new thing with our brakes. We're just gonna start using gloves. Just because there's always that bad apple that'll try to get their money back or something and complain. I really didn't want to use gloves, but there's just a lot of people that I don't know. Yeah, so we're just gonna start using gloves for the brakes. See how it goes. I'm just gonna try it out for one or two brakes, and if I don't prefer using them, I'm not gonna use them because my thing is I want to be able to have complete control of the card while handling it. So that's just my thing. So we're gonna do the rookies and stars. 10 cards per pack, 6 packs, 2 autographs, 2 mems. Not many hobby boxes of this get ripped open, but we've been trying to move this one for a while just because it's a good product. It's not too much of a high end product, but for hobby box there is a lot of good. There's a lot of good hobby box exclusive stuff you can get. Yeah, there's going to be 5 parallels on here, numbered. 2 Optichrome inserts. I'm trying to think of that. There's some Great American insert on here that's really cool. I'm trying to find what it's called. Yeah, Great American Heroes, red, pink, purple, orange. There's a really sweet Pat Tillman one. Yeah, so let's get this going. Yeah. Hey Scott. Yeah, we're gonna do the limited right after the rookies and stars. Probably gonna be a 10-15 minute holdover. Just for us to get everything set up. But yeah. All right, Ryan, you have what's your eBay name first, bud? I have everyone's when I did the randomization, I put everyone's eBay name just so there's no confusion. So if anyone wants to know their team, just post in the comments and put your eBay name, and I'll gladly read it all for you. All right, yep, so we should have 6 packs in here. Raider. You had a couple spots. All right, you had Raider 623.
Yeah.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got Texans, Colts. I think that's the only spots you had. You only had 2 spots, I believe. Yeah. You got Texans and Colts. Yep, 100% Texans and Colts. Yeah, alrighty. Yep, we got 10 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs there. We are going to penny sleeve and top load any rookies. But I mean, some of the little rookies like AJ Terrell that's in a college uniform, we're probably not going to top load them. But if there's any cards you want top loaded, yeah, just say something. We'll penny sleeve and top load anything you guys need. Base won't be top loaded and sleeved unless you want to. I don't see any point in that. But I mean, it's your guys' cards, so you can. I'm gonna take a drink and we're gonna get going with the break. Thank you guys for the support. Alrighty. Yeah, you want to reply? Is Scott in here?
Yeah, I just.
Yeah, you want to reply to Scott on there? Tell him latest will probably be 10 o'clock. Alrighty, let's get the camera all set up. Good. Alright, we're good. First pack. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Just a heads up, if you guys don't pull anything, like let's say you guys have one team and you guys don't get any cards, we will go out of our way and I'll go ahead and get you guys something out of my personal collection. Alrighty, first up here we got Rob Gronkowski, got Derek Carr. First up here, first hit it looks like we got Amari Cooper. Looks like it's going to be a mem, the enclosed player worn used material. So this is going to be game used. Got Amari Cooper, high octane from the Cowboys. Got 17 out of 199. You want to sleep it? Should be able to fit in there. Here, use this. You got it in there. Probably use a 55 for it. Then for them base, I just use just fit in there right here. And now I take that out. Use one of these. Is there 100 points in there?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, 100 point will work.
Yeah, perfect.
Yep. Alrighty, first hit. Got a Amari Cooper high octane. We got another sweet card coming up. Another numbered card. Got Chandler Jones for the Cardinals. It's like an orange parallel. 53 out of 99 or 52. I think it's 53. 2 off the number for his jersey. Just a sweet looking card. Hand that off. Yeah, it should fit in a 20 point.
Yeah.
I don't even know how we're doing the captions. We got standing ovations, Derek Carr. Not numbered. I'll just leave and top load that just because it's red. Actually, nah, just leave it. Got touchdown club, Cooper Kupp. There we go. Tua finally got a first quarterback off the board. Got the red rookie rush. Tua Tagovailoa. Not numbered. Still a sweet card. Oh, shoot, wrong pile. We got a J.J. Watt action packed. Got a Michael Pittman Jr. rookie. Thaddeus Moss rookie. Yeah, actually, I like these hobby packs already. What happened? That Thaddeus Moss, I just sleeve up unless he says something. Michael Pittman Jr., I sleeve the top load. Alrighty, next pack, guys.
Pretty good first pack.
Yeah, nice mem. Still got 2 autographs and 1 more mem out there. Check, good. Got Allen Robinson for the Bears. Chris Godwin for the Bucks. Another Cowboys, damn.
Cowboys are hot right now.
Man, another freaking mem for the Cowboys. Big time, nice patch. Looks like a napkin. CeeDee Lamb. 127 out of 199. See if it's player worn. Nah, the enclosed authentic material is not from any specific game or event. Nice hit for the Cowboys there. Let me try to lower this. Got another numbered card here. J.K. Dobbins. Yeah, I just end up getting them. We won't have any more mems left, so we shouldn't have to get them out. 27 out of 35. That's his jersey number 2. It's a sweet card. Can't tell if it's red or pink. It's a sweet looking card though. That's a jersey number 2.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we got Dak Prescott. Ticketmasters. Aaron Jones, standing ovations. I'll just put the ones to sleeve in this pile for you. Touchdown club, Derrick Henry. Rookie rush, CeeDee Lamb.
Just sleeve them, right?
Yeah, I'd sleeve them, except for like the big rookies or crazy hit. Once again, guys, if you guys want anything specific sleeved and top loaded, just let us know. Got Denzel Mims, the Jets, and Damon Arnett for the Raiders. Let's get the second pack. Still got 2 autographs left out of 4 packs. These freaking packs. There we go. Got Tyreek Hill base. DK Metcalf. Ertz. There it is. Tua. Ticketmasters. Number 2. Let's see if it focuses. 23 out of 99. It's a good short print there. Orange too. Sweet card there.
That's it.
Oh yeah. Got action packed. Stephen Gilmore. Ticketmaster. DeAndre Hopkins. There it is. Patty Mahomes, standing ovations. Should be Super Bowl 54, right? Yeah. Super Bowl 54 champion. Wish it was numbered. That'd be even sweeter. I'll top load that 100%. Myles Garrett, action packed. One of the rookies. Got Derek Brown and Joey B. There it is, boy. So we got two and Joey off the board, right? No other quarterbacks?
That's it.
Yeah, we still got Hurts out there, Herbert, Love. Yeah, Joey B base. Nothing crazy. Still something nice to hold on to, graded if you want in the future. This feels like a thick one here. I'm hoping we hit one of them great American heroes.
Yeah,
Those fucking cards are sweet looking. Yeah, alrighty. There's a thick pack here. We got Mark Ingram, Daniel Hunter, Phillip Rivers. Uh-oh. That's a thick boy, too. Damn. Whoa, my lord, a 101. Holy fuck.
damn. Oh, my lord.
Woo!
J-Love.
Oh, my lord, who had
Holy
Jordan
moly.
Love. God damn. I gotta find out right now.
Green Bay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Sesson.
7, 8, 12. Woo! My lord.
Wow. Holy shit.
Yeah, that motherfucker right there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice hit. Nice
I'd
hit.
cut the edge of that right there.
We get it in, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Got the tag too. Oh my lord. Be extra careful with this one, boys. Oh my lord. Yeah, I'll hand it off to you. Good. Oh,
Nice hit, man. Nice hit.
Hell yeah.
Boy, 101.
So I try to tell people about these rookies and stars. It took a while to fill it up, about a month, but that shit's sweet.
Well worth the wait.
Holy shit. Is Sisson in the chat?
He said,
Is that Josh?
Gabe Savina said yes. Well, no, Josh, that just made my weekend. Yeah, Josh. Good hit, Josh. Good hit, my man.
Jalen Rager.
I'm taking that down.
Damn straight. That motherfucker.
101. Wow.
That's
Auto.
fucking nuts, bro.
Man.
He got the best signature out of the rookie class, 200%. Got TJ Watt, action packed. Tom Brady, Ticketmaster. Yeah, I would since it's red. Yeah, I'd sleeve that TJ and I'd top load that. Here we go. There it is. Great American Heroes.
Look at that. Nice box. Nice box.
Justin Simmons. Not a crazy big player, but that's still a sweet card.
Man, that 101's got me.
Yeah, that's the first one-on-one I've ever seen in person. You don't see many one-on-ones and breaks either, bro.
Oh, my.
That's crazy. We got J.K. Dobbins and Jason Huntley to finish that pack off. Still got one auto out there, boys.
Holy shit.
That is crazy, bro. Holy.
Good hit, Josh Gray. Nice.
Got Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Marlon Mack. Oh, boys, this is our second auto. Oh, my Lord. God damn.
Nice.
DeAndre Swift for the Lions. Number 2. 54 out of 99. Oh, my Lord. I like that longevity, too. That motherfucker right there.
Box ain't disappointing, I'll assure you that.
Hell no. So if you guys want us to put another Rookies and Stars up, just let us know. Got another numbered card here.
If you all want to see, we'll put it up.
Yep. No, it's out of 10, too.
That one is.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Arnett out of 10.
Damon Arnett out of 10. He's
wow.
in his 6 out of 10.
Strong box. Yeah, it is definitely a strong box. One of the stronger boxes I've seen.
Yeah. Got a Ricky Rush, Cam Akers. Action Pack, Bobby Wagner.
Wow.
Michael Thomas,
I'm still stoked over
Ticketmaster.
that 1-1 Jordan Love, man.
I ain't never seen some shit like that. Michael Thomas. Sam Darnold now in the Panthers. Our base rookies, Darrell Taylor, James Morgan. Not Steve Morgan. Yeah, besides him, yeah.
Besides that, Michael Thomas.
I'd still leave him sleeved. I thought them cards would be more rare than they are. We got a Kyler Murray, Rookies and Stars. Got some gold back there, too. Josh Jacobs. Devin Singletary. Oh, my Lord, bro. Oh, my God.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Woo!
Look at this.
Out of 99, Tua Tagovailoa, that gold. That's sweet. That oranges. Oh, my God. This is probably one of the best boxes I've seen in a very long time. Trying to get it to focus on the numbers.
Wow.
No, I ain't gonna pay.
Strong box. Definitely a strong box.
80 out of 99. Still missing no Herberts yet. Still missing Jalen Hurts. I think that's it. Oh, I thought that was a fucking Herbert. Jacob Eason. Roquan Smith. Ooh, that's a sweet card. Airborne Ben Roethlisberger. It's a sweet motherfucker right there. Surprised it ain't numbered. And to finish out the box, last card was that. Got a Keyshawn Vaughn. Tommy Stevens.
Stellar box. Stellar box.
That's crazy. I saw the base. Like I said, guys, if you guys want any of your based sleeves and top loaded, let us know. Let us know.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, box. We're gonna do a quick recap. Go over all the cards we top loaded. Crazy fucking box.
Yes, it was.
God damn, I gotta go get a beer.
Can you grab another one too, bro?
Fuck. God damn.
Good break, good break.
Is that your other Bud Light in there?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think I had a regular one in there. Oh.
Jordan Love, dude.
That's crazy right there. That's about to be the profile picture or something.
How about it?
Yeah, alrighty, we'll go over these real quick, guys. Yeah, for real. Holy fuck. Now I'm pissed we couldn't put it on YouTube too, bro. That's fucking
Willie. JB in the top. He really did, right?
Yeah.
I did.
At least Josh is in here.
Yeah, he said he was.
God damn.
Yeah, we got your JB in the tops.
Yeah,
top letter, Gabe.
Yeah, Josh, we ain't looking to profit much off of this. We just enjoy it, man. It's fun opening up shit. Alrighty, we're gonna save that Jordan Love for last. Alright. Got Chandler Jones out of 99. Michael Pittman Jr. Rookie Rush. Tua Tagovailoa. Got that big patch. CeeDee Lamb, right? Yep. 127 out of 199. That card right there reminds me of Penn State right there. Every time I see that card so far. Got Airborne Gold. Ben Roethlisberger. Fucking tilt this up. I'm trying to find a good point for it. Got a out of 99 to Attack of Ialoa. Rookies and stars. Yeah, orange. Matching color. Michael Thomas, Ticketmasters. Cam Akers, Rookie Rush. Damon Arnett out of 10. DeAndre Swift auto out of 99. Crazy. Both autos are nuts.
Yeah.
Great American Heroes, Justin Simmons. The GOAT, Tom Brady, Ticketmasters. Jalen Reagor, Rookie Rush. Out of 199, High Octane. Amari Cooper. I hate them patches. Joey B. Base. Patty Mahomes, Standing Ovations. Tua Ticketmasters. CeeDee Lamb. Rookies and Stars.
He said he thinks the Big Ben's numbered on the back.
Is it numbered on the back?
I'm about to find
I'm
out.
about to find out. J.K. Dobbins.
Yeah, it is. 4 out of 10. Holy shit. He's right. Good call, man. It is 4 out of 10.
I didn't fucking notice that.
4 out of 10, bro. Good call on that. Nice hit.
Definitely more than 5 numbered cards.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, definitely more than 5.
I mean, 1 out of 1.
That's crazy right there, bro.
Jordan Love. Wow.
Yeah, 4 out of 10. That's crazy. Good catch.
Good catch, man. Yeah.
You got the jersey number, fucking J.K. Dobbins.
Yeah.
And the crown jewel, Jordan Love. 1 out of 1. Laundry tag.
Man, look at that.
That motherfucker's crazy
Whew.
right there, bro. God damn. Thanks for the break, guys. We're gonna end the live stream. We'll be live in about.
Yeah, it was a good box. I'll second that, Gabe.
We'll be live in about 15 minutes to do the limited. This is the real box we're really excited for, but that fucking Rookies and Stars.
It's going to be hard to beat that 1-1. Jordan Love. I mean, be honest.
Yeah. Limited is a fun product, too. They got a lot of nice cards. Got one on-card auto in there. So, yeah, we'll break that in about 20 minutes. We'll come back on Facebook. That way we can just keep both videos separate in case anyone needs to go back and watch.
Yeah, JK wasn't a bad hit, bud.
Nah. Jersey number. So, yeah, guys, thank you for the support. Once again, if you guys want to see anything,
yeah, hit us up, man.
Hit us up.
What you want to see? We'll put up whatever you guys want.
Yep, 100%.
Jerseys.
Yeah, we need to start doing some more jerseys.
Memorabilia, helmets, mini helmets, footballs.
Yeah, we can get it. We can get any. We can get. We do mystery box jerseys, all autograph with Beckett and all that. Certification, mini helmets, footballs. Yes, we're probably gonna rip some of them here soon. But all right, guys. Yeah, we'll catch you on the limited break. Here in about 20 minutes. Thank you guys for the support. And,
Appreciate it.
Yep. Have a good night.